Hi flower fans! Get ready to dig along in the dirt with this fall garden activity for some serious, beautiful spring blooms. Ranunculus and anemones are two of our most favorite spring blooms here at the farm. Ranunculus, also known as spring roses, are exceptionally prolific when it comes to stem counts per plant. Anemones offer a beautiful contrast to Ranunculus in both shape and form. Both have excellent vase life, making them most sought after cut flowers. It's time for a bit of Corm anatomy. So which way is up and which way is down? My kids describe Ranunculus as miniature octopi. So just remember, when it comes to planting time, legs go down. Anemones look like odd-shaped acorns. Just remember, when it comes to planting them, the point goes down. Some anemones are so oddly shaped that it's often hard to distinguish which end is up. But don't hurt your brain over it. Mother Nature will figure out which end is up. Size does matter for the most part. When it comes to Ranunculus and anemones, as a general rule of thumb, the larger the corm size, the more robust they will be. Corms can come in varying sizes and are categorized as 2-3, 3-4, and 5-7. Retailers often don't specify size, and on average they'll be on the smaller side. So just expect to have a smaller number of blooms per plant. The exception to this rule is with butterfly ranunculus. These corms across the board are substantially taller and larger than conventional ranunculus. Okay, flower fans, that's ranunculus and anemones in a nutshell. So get ready for our next segment on how to pre-sprout them and get them ready for fall planting. I'm Charmaine Turbow here at Turbow Farms, head farmette in Zone 9B. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification for the next important video. Flowers are best.